So, hello. For this video, how do you enable data saver on Discord Mobile? So to start off, let's open up the application. Now, as we open up the application, we just need to head over down below to the U. Now, here in your profile, you just need to click on the top right, the gear icon or the options icon. Now here we just need to scroll down until we see the setting or a category for chat. Now here we just need to click on the chat and scroll down until we see data saver and data saving mode. Now here, when you upload a video, it would be uploaded faster and use less cellular data. So if that's what you want, then you need to click on data saver. Now, for the data saving mode, so when this is on, images and videos will be sent in a lower quality on cellular networks to reduce data usage. So use this if you are on a cellular network. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.